Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Naveed and this lecture I'm going to teach you wish. So what is wish? In order to learn wish, we need to see the usage of wish. So let's see the usage of wish. So the usage of wish is when we want reality to be different. Definitely if anyone asks from you that why do we use wish? So the answer of this question is that when we want reality to be different. For example, we can say that I have two friends. Okay, my first friend, he does not know English. He does not know English. So this is the reality. This is the reality that he does not know English. So what will be a wish will be when we want reality to be different. So what he wants that he knows English. Getting me? Second friend I have, for example, he does not know how to ride a bike. He does not know how to ride a bike. So definitely this is the reality. But what is the wish when we want reality to be different? So you say I wish I know. You can say I know bike riding. Getting me? So this is what when we want reality. Reality is called definitely what which is truth. When we want reality to be different. Now it's time to see the examples and kinds also. So the first example is we have the I don't know English. I don't know English. This is the reality. But with the help of wish, I can say when we want reality to be different, how will I say? I wish I know English. This is the reality. But this is my imagination or this is my wish to know. Getting me? We have three kinds of wish. The first is present wish, past wish, future wish, and definitely we will learn this wish one by one in subsequent lectures. Definitely we cannot discuss this all wish kinds in one lecture, therefore we have to separate these lectures or these kinds in different lectures. So this was the introduction to wish. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplus.com. Allah fi amanillah, and I will meet you in next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.